Hello dear Virgos, welcome back to my channel, and this is your last week's exclusive love reading plus career reading of June. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Your cards are already out, so we are going to begin. If you would like to know more about the personal readings, rituals or counseling sessions, please stay tuned till the end. In your love life, you've got the Two of Moons and the Page card. Well, look at this love. You have a lot of love for someone, okay? Whether you're single, you have a crush on someone, whether that's a relationship or marriage for you, then definitely I do see a lot of love. If you're in a situationship, you're dealing with somebody who is not ready for commitment. Eye opener. And in your relationship or marriage, if you suddenly feel that your partner is not giving you the kind of attention they used to or not spending as much time together, that's not because of a third party. Okay, let me just clear that out for you, because a lot of you are worrying if there's a third party involved, if someone has come between the two of you. No, it's clearly somebody who's very focused on their work. You are here and they are there. Look at their direction, they are facing that side. Their focus is not on love and relationships right now. Their focus is on building a life, meeting their goals, unfortunately right now, and that is why your love life could be suffering. So this week, if your partner is not giving you the kind of attention, not spending enough time, please don't take it otherwise. Be more understanding and patient with that person. The reason why your marriage is getting delayed or relationship is getting delayed, or there is no love or lack of love in your marriage, it's because of this, right? The moment they, I think, achieve their goals, or there something inside them changes, they crave your love, they will be changing their situation back and turning towards you or this relationship. But this week their focus is going to be on their work, so please be patient and understanding. Let's see what's happening in your career now. You've got the astrologer and the death card. So Virgos, this shows me that you're also a very active person, very much focused on your work. We all know that, extremely hardworking, but there is a major change that is coming for you. With the death card here, I can see that something is not working out for you. Your business, your job, maybe it's not giving you the kind of happiness you want, the kind of money, respect, or position that you want. There is a major change that is going to happen for you, or major transformation that is happening in your life. You are changing something big in your career. It could be that you are investing, it could be that you're changing your job, switching your career field, or ending a business, starting a new business. It can be anything for you. There is definitely something which has died down, so you're going to just end that and move on from it to a better new beginning. So whatever your situation is, whether you want to go for higher studies, whether you want to switch your uh, line completely, or whether you're getting promoted, that's also possible. But some major change and transformation is coming into your life. Now this major change and transformation is going to put you in a better position. So don't think that if something is ending for you, a new beginning will not be there, right? Or if you got rejected from one job offer, the other one cannot come. No, something even better will come your way. So there will be endings, yes, but the new beginnings look better and brighter. So a major change and transformation is coming. It can be that you're buying a land or office. It can be that you're investing hugely in stocks, or you're getting huge returns this week. But whatever I see, your career looks bright. It looks like something will completely change and you will not be able to recognize it anymore. Maybe it will be so much better that you will be like, oh my god, I never thought that I will be in this position one day. So that kind of major change you can expect in the last week of June. Before leaving, June will definitely reward you with something. This week your focus entirely will be on your work and less in your personal life. It could be that also that you are more focused on your work, and that is why your relationships are suffering. You can always reverse the roles, because sometimes the energies are different. It picks up your partner's energy or your energy. So yes, it can be that also, that the relationship is delayed, the marriage is delayed because your focus is on your work, changing your life. But whatever it is, get ready for big changes and transformation. Your life is going to change. Focus is more on work, and love life will suffer in a way, I can say that. Okay, so if you guys resonated with this reading, Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Comment and let me know which situation you are going through right now. I'll be reading and replying to all the comments. And yes, this was a general reading, so all of your questions might not have been covered or answered. In that case, you can always book a personal reading with me. I take personal readings as well. I have different packages available where multiple questions will be answered and a free remedy will also be given to remove the blockages from your life. Package for singles, package for love and package for career. Apart from that, I have two separate love readings, exclusive love readings available. One is a Mystic Red Rose love reading to know more about your connection and to know whether the crush or your partner loves you or not. And second is the Oracle love reading, which is a no contact exclusive reading to channel your partner's current feelings and to see how are they thinking about you right now, even in the no contact. And lastly, I give rituals as well, do rituals as well. So if you feel stuck, you can book a blockage removal ritual in your life or spiritual counseling session. So if you feel like you want a therapy session, counseling session, you want to speak to somebody, you need guidance, here also with the help of your angels, I will be answering your questions, guiding you, mentoring you, and giving you a remedy as well. I do have audio video call sessions available. I do have half an hour, 1 hour sessions available, but only on Instagram, Google Meet, and Zoom. And to book any kind of sessions, you can either email me at my email ID, which is asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can directly DM me on my Instagram handle, which is the Moksha Tarot, the name itself. And guys, please follow me on Instagram because I post my prices on a daily basis over there. So here I am only mentioning the services, could be missing out on one or two services as well. I have a huge range of services and different prices for each service so that you can choose whatever suits your budget. So you will get to know about the prices more there, what new services launched, when is the channel closed, or when is the new video being launched. All these details you will get on a daily basis from my Instagram handle. So do follow there, do subscribe here. Take care of yourselves. Thank you so much for watching my channel, and we are definitely going to see each other soon. Take care. Bye bye.